素食嘅情況底下咧，我會好中意落好多唔同嘅 herbs。例如我其中一個 favourite 嘅咧就係 turmeric 啦。另外咧 dill 亦都係一個非常之好嘅配搭嚟嘅，再加上 Cajun， 亦都係一個非常之可味有香味嘅。聞落去應該都好正。Today is Vegan Challenge Day 5, and I am having my first meal. As you can tell, outside is already dark. Time now is almost 7. I just got home. I had a long day, but doesn't make me stop cooking, right? So tonight, 今晚咧就係 Vegan Challenge 第5晚。咁今晚咧我就會試食呢一個新嘢鮮豆包。咁鮮豆包佢入邊咧亦都係 vegan 嚟嘅，我喺一間啲人鋪頭買嘅，所以都好excited，不如一齊開嚟睇下佢點樣先。睇翻佢嘅 nutrition fact 先，其實佢咧嘅蛋白質咧，淨係呢個100 gram 咧已經有17.4。所以我決定係 cut 開一半，成個擠入去蒸。好啦，呢個鮮豆包咧，我咧就 preset 咗已經有一個底嘅啦。冇錯啦 ，preset 咗個底咧，入邊其實已經咧係有晒好多菜啦，有啲 tomato 喺入邊嘅。咁我哋等陣會點做咧？就係仲有啲 onion 添嘅。share 一個心得俾大家知，其實我好中意將所有嘢都 prepackage 咗先。其實咁樣做咧係非常之能夠容易到控制你自己嘅食嘢嘅分量。所以好似呢啲咁樣，你只要 prepackage 咗佢，一下子咧即刻好長期嘅資料喺度。咁有一袋已經可以做成餐，跟住有一半咧就咁我就今日會講 fusion 咯 turmeric 啦，再加埋啲好多香味都好正。最後咧，其實我係會加埋我最中意嘅 paprika， 哇，中意嗰啲顏色啊！今日亦都會想飲我嘅 soy milk 去送我今晚嘅嘢食。好啦，應該差唔多時間啦，不如睇下佢搞成點。very good。好有豆味 ，Let's try。好好味，好腍，同埋係真係好有豆味。再加咗啲 herbs 喺面頭咧，好 satisfy。Bon appetit guys！